Hey guys, Dan the Man here, and today I have an unboxing for you guys. Here I have the Microsoft Surface Laptop Go. It's a certified refurbished product. It's a Microsoft certified refurbished product, as it's written on the box. I think they printed it that way. So this thing comes with an Intel 10th Gen i5 processor, which is a quad core with hyper-threading probably. And it's got 256 gigabyte of SSD in there and 8 gigabyte of RAM, and it's the platinum color. And as you can see, it says package contains this or that. That's pretty much the box. So these laptops were certified by Microsoft. Probably someone bought them, didn't like them, they returned them back to Microsoft, and Microsoft couldn't sell them as brand new, so they started selling them as refurbished products. Or probably they had a small problem, they fixed that thing, and they started selling it as brand spanking new. So that's the story with refurbished products. So that's how the box is. The box is pretty good. It looks brand spanking new. Microsoft refurbished products, Dell refurbished products, or let's say HP's refurbished products. All these companies that they have their own certified ones are good, and they would be pretty good deals to buy, in my opinion. That's what the laptop looks like in its packaging. It is actually packaged just like a brand new computer. Okay, I'm gonna put that aside first. We get all the original things that comes with the box, the user manual guide, and a blank paper for some reason. And here's the charger, I believe, inside this thing. And let's look at the charger. Charger looks very new. It looks like it was opened and it was just put back in its place, like probably just once used, early. And here's the charger, the little charger. It's literally as big as my phone's charger. It's a 39-watt charger. It's the original Microsoft part. So that's for the accessories you get in the box. And let's open this thing and inspect it if it has any scratches or anything, which I doubt because this is a Microsoft certified product. Wow, that cold aluminum touch. It feels really good. Let me put it that way, so that I can open it. Wow, that's nice. This thing's covering some of the screen. So, looking at this thing, I can tell that there are definitely no scratches. Nothing that I can see of. No sign of use whatsoever. And this model, I believe, has the fingerprint sensor on it as well. It's a touchscreen panel. Beautiful Microsoft logo. USB Type-C, headphone jack, and USB port A, I believe. And here you got the Microsoft's own docking charge. And at the back, not much going on in there. There's no sign of use actually. It looks brand spanking new. I mean, I would not see any difference between this product or other products, perhaps. Let's switch this thing on and see how the screen looks, and hopefully it switches on and it has enough battery in it. Okay, it looks like it was out of battery completely, and the battery on this thing was completely drained. So it's loading. Windows is coming up. Let's just have a look at this thing as it is charging. And as for charging it, because it comes with the American type of port, so I had to use a converter to convert that American socket to European. This thing can cost you anywhere between $200-ish to $300 for a beautiful touchscreen laptop that's brand spanking new with i5, SSDs, and RAM and everything else. Windows Hello, precision trackpad. It feels like glass. The keyboard is good. It's got fingerprint in there. It's a steal for this price. This thing is a very good thing. And Microsoft even offers, technically, let's try the touchscreen. Yeah, I can touch it. That's nice. That feels good. It's got this glossy panel. I believe it's an IPS panel. It looks good. It feels nice.
Hi there. I'm Cortana,
Okay,
and I'm here to
I'm
help.
gonna silent Cortana for now. Okay. So that's pretty much it. This looks good, feels good, and it feels cold to the touch. It looks brand spanking new. If you're buying refurbished products, it's good. It's a good deal to get if you get Microsoft certified, Dell certified, Lenovo certified, or HP certified by factory are good. There are some third-party retailers that they also make their own certified versions and open boxes that are also good. But this thing doesn't look like it was used or repaired or anything at all. It looks brand spanking new. There's absolutely no difference. I'm just basically going with the keyboard layout and everything else. We're gonna choose US style. We're gonna skip that for now. And it feels very compact, very good. It's gonna probably give you about 10-12 hours of battery life, I would say, which is good, watching stuff, doing a lot of things and things like that. Anyways, that's pretty much it. If you guys liked it, you liked it, and you can sob, and it's very thin, very slim. It's not that heavy. Feels very good. I like the color, and I also love the logo and the touchscreen. Everything about this thing is good, and it's a very nice little device that is very portable, and it can give you a lot of power. That's pretty much it, and you guys have a good day. See you later.